Every day is a new day, stepping in the way, champion coming in the way. Buddy, I'm a beast, I'm like a semi-truck, don't back up. Buddy, I'm a beast, look at me, you get snacked up. Time to do my thing, get my bling in, making Benjamins every day. Money's my best friend, ain't got time to play, ain't got time for no games. Buddy, I'm a beast, champion in the ring, about to do a Mike Tyson knockout. 1, 2, one jab in the face, one punch to the jaw, 2. That's all I need to win this game and get out the ring. Buddy, I'm a beast, holding the throne every day, putting on the money, on the cash, in the stacks. Buddy, I'm straight a beast. Your rappers all whack, if you know what I mean, and you see me straight coming. Buddy, one thing you know, you better start running, cause I'm coming through like a hurricane, coming Katrina. Buddy, I'm a beast, yeah, I got that Mastavina. I'm a venom, I'm a crazy person when I come in. Call me Spider-Man 3, all black, everything. Don't try me at all, ain't down to play. Come in the ring and get out today. I went to jail yesterday, now I'm out again. Buddy, out up on the streets, about to make it rain and making money every day. Hit the club, blow it all, yeah, I know y'all all know, yeah, you know I all ball every day and ball every night. I'm balling every day like I flew out of the sky. Let me say one thing, call me straight up MJ. Got a lot of shoes coming, got a lot coming my way. Don't even try me, I'm making too much money. If you think you can beat me, then buddy, you won't use gully. You don't even know my name. My name is Mr. Champion. Hold the belt every day, never making it let go. Everybody knows me, I'm the rainbow. Call me Mr. Skittles, I'm over straight the rainbow. Coming through every day, know what I mean. Buddy, I'm a beast, yeah, I make it all, everything. Money over everything, jewelry big. Call me the rope, cause I'm doing it all straight big. Candy paint up on my whip, paint up on my car. Got a new house with a coming with a bar. Yeah, I'm coming straight in, buddy, with a brand new cop car. Got arrested yesterday, really don't care, y'all. I know everybody in the jail who don't know me. Buddy, I'm a beast, but I'm not